friends, Running Kimono here. So this was a really great day today over at Walgreens. Like everything's working perfectly. I need to kick my heels up and go buy a lottery ticket. It's a really great day. So just to let you know, this was done in store. So if you are going to do this as a curbside, both register rewards and Walgreens cash, it's kind of spotty if you'll get it back. It's written and it's set up that they don't have to award you any of it. So even if it appears that you're going to get your Walgreens cash back, when you pick up your order, you're probably not going to get it. So the safest thing to do is to do it in store. And a very special happy Mother's Day to all my subscribers out there, and a special hi to my mom. And if you wait till the end of the video, there might be a giveaway in this one in celebration of Mother's Day. Or there might not be. I might be lying again. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is this booster. I did a deal for $20 on the nose. I didn't stack it. I didn't do anything fancy. I just did a quick basket. This is what I got. 2 Head and Shoulders, 100 gram candy bar, and then 2 things of Colgate. The whole basket was like $20.97, and it was a little bit of magic. So we're going to jog through what I got. And as nothing was properly tagged, because I went first thing in the morning, I had to ask the cashier, like, hey, could you scan this? Is this part of it? And these should be ringing up 2 for $12, and it's that medium size bottle. So not too big, not too small, the medium one. Make sure that you have this friend loaded, which is a 3 off of 2. And if you love Head and Shoulders, you know this is a fantastic deal. Adding a little bit more frosting to the cake, Ibotta is giving back 60 cents per, so you're going to get 60 cents for each bottle, plus a 50-cent bonus when you buy 2. So that's a little something called amazing. And we're also getting a quarter back for 100 grand, because I need to get my basket right to $20. So I was a little short, so I grabbed this candy bar. That is 99 cents. So I certainly won't eat it, but I know my husband will enjoy this 100 grand. A little gift for him today. And the final item that I grabbed is 2 tubes of the toothpaste priced at $3.99. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. If you're going to do anything, do this deal to get 2 free tubes. And as you can see, purchase 2 of these, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. I am not lying today. Well, not yet. And as you can see, this generous 4 off of 2 digital showed up this morning. So a little something extra for us. And I also used a manufacturer register reward from last week. All that Tide that I was hauling, I'm like, yeah, I want to use this. So I also threw in one of these into the mix to get my basket like a lot lower. And it worked. So just to go through this basket again, the 100 grand for 99 cents, 2 of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $3.99 for $7.98, 2 Head and Shoulders for 12 buckos. So my total there is $20.97. I have my 5 back when you spend 20. The booster is loaded. I presented the one $6 manufacturer register reward that scanned perfectly. Plus I had a 4 off of 2 digital for Colgate and a 3 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders. That's $7 of digitals off right there. So my new total that I paid with my debit card is $7.97. Because I'm using that booster, I have to use my debit card. Then I got back $9 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster and 4 for the Colgate, a $4 register reward for the Head and Shoulders, and a $1.95 back from Ibotta for both the Head and Shoulders and the 100 grand. So if you consider that I used that $6 register reward, if we were not going to consider that, it's 98 cents for the 5 items or 19 cents each. For me, it was just a really good deal. And let's not forget not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, or it will mess everything up. Just to show you guys, this is what the $4 register reward for the Head and Shoulders looks like, and it printed for me, and it's a store coupon, so I have to use this very carefully, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways that I used it in this little video. Okay, so the next little item that I grabbed was one of these Niveas for $5 on the nose, and as you can see, I'm saving $1.99 for this, so it's up to $6.99 now at the store. Unfortunately, I didn't have any manufacturer coupons, but I still wanted to grab one of these because my Ibotta had a weekend warrior to do 6 deals and get back $3. So I was really close. I did the 100 grand and Head and Shoulders, and I didn't want to have to go to 100 stores today. So I'm like, I'm going to do it all at Walgreens. So I utilized one of these store coupon register rewards because I knew it would scan beautifully for this. So a $5 product with this, I would use $1 in Walgreens cash and then submit it to Ibotta, because Ibotta has a $2 cash back for the purchase of this Nivea body wash. So that is a no-brainer for me. Okay guys, here's the mathematics. That one Nivea body wash for $5, I used a $4 store register reward. You can only use one per transaction, just to note that. The second one will not scan. I paid $1, got $2 back from Ibotta. If you wanted to use some Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. And I completed my weekend warrior with Ibotta, so I had to do 6 rebates to get back $3. So the purchase of like that Nivea, even though I was like, it was really smart with this $3, I completed the rebate. Okay, the next little deal that we're going to talk about is the Softsoap. And yes, I had an error in my matchups. These were like $1.99, but now they're $2.49. So blame it on inflation. It's always been $1.99, but it's a lot more. So what I did for this deal, guys, was I grabbed 4 of them. And this is working in concert with a register reward, so you must do it in store. You can't do it as a curbside for this. Just to note that, the register reward will not print. There are digital coupons. We have this really nice $1.50 digital. Both of my accounts had it, so I think most of you might have it. Just maybe search for it when you're looking for your soap. And then we also have this 75-cent off of one as well. So I had both of these loaded. Looking at the mathematics for this, 4 of these hand soaps on a buy one get one 50% off is $7.47. Subtracting $2.25 of digitals, I'm paying $5.22 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. It makes it $1.22 for the 4, or 30 cents each. If I'm doing this deal on its own, like without any sort of booster, like a spend 20 get back 5, yes, I can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn my $4 register reward. And just to show you the register reward, it is not a store one. It is a manufacturer and is compliments of Colgate Palmolive. So there it is. Okay, so this next deal, it's just something that I saw in the store that I wanted. It's $3.19 down from $10.49. We have a $1.25 coupon dropping this down to $1.94. And a lot of you might say, oh, eczema, I'm never going to have that problem. The day that you have a flare-up, you're going to go to the store and spend $10 on some lotion for this. And just to show you, here's the digital coupon. It's definitely something to have in your stockpile. And this tube doesn't expire until like 2023. So just for your medical stockpile, it is one item I would absolutely have, especially with summer so close. All right, so the next little dealio that we have is I got 4 of the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh, the 22 loaders. Not all of these are ringing up, guys, for the $9. You're going to pay $9 for 4. Some of them are ringing up $5.79. So just eagle eye that cash register that everything is ringing up for the sales price, which is to buy 4 for $9, Tide Simply, Downy, all that magic. So we have a 50-cent digital coupon, believe it or not, that came off. So I had this loaded. I didn't even know I loaded it. But yeah, that came off, no problems, no issues. And I also threw in one of these store coupons just to get the basket a little lower. I'm not going to get an award or anything back or reward back for the purchase of the Tide Simply. Just something I wanted for my stockpile, so I threw one of these in. So just looking at the math for this one, 4 of the Tides at $9. Subtracting that $4 store coupon plus the 150-cent digital manufacturer. I also threw in $4 in Walgreens cash, and I paid 50 cents plus the tax, so not a bad little dealio for some cheap Tide Simply. Okay guys, so before I take off, let's have a little Mother's Day giveaway. A $10 Walgreens gift card. Mother's Day doesn't get any better than without that. So what we're going to do here, guys, here are the rules. It's very easy. You got to be a subscriber to my channel. And in the comments, tell me where you're from. So if you're from Columbus, Ohio, just write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, very easy. And the one winner, is only one winner for this one, will be picked on Wednesday, May the 11th. So a couple days to enter this. And good luck, guys. And this is 100% free to enter, and I pay for the card and the shipping and all that stuff. You know, sometimes you might get a weird message in the comments. It happens. Just be mindful of that. Everything should be 100% free, especially for a little giveaway like this. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.